SP jo is khasil suba vivek se mnek singi habe kren bekinok to khobor halor ke jingeki jong kinong nya truck habok satri jo Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Driver Association ulai thu ba ki pulit kila kem ya saungut ki nongialam pat Pynngat yaki ha ki 4tylli ki case pyrshah yaki nakliang ba vivek ulai thu bala kem ki te ki nongialam kade na mar bi don kiti ban sho bara abor ki driver truck ke bakit mar na East Giant Hills komon pakan mau ka MCTODA kala penlong ya kecing ki but miru kecing kulmar ka bujur bha ha ka bagi pulit ki hapan pendon kam lakitiar tendong pensat kaman bantem ya kecing kulmar ba vivek ulai thuru ba hagane kecing jia kala donru kecing sha thermau ya kitrok ke bayat landi na kani ka surok ba
on Pynngat Junction. 4 people were arrested and initially 3 cases were registered against them. Subsequently on Thursday there was also an escort of cement and clinker trucks from West Giant Hills, from East Giant Hills via West Giant Hills, and there was a lot of stone pelting and damage to our vehicles, for which a 4th case was registered. So we have a total of 4 cases, and bail has been moved today. That will be in the discretion of the court whether the court will grant bail, and we'll take it from there.
How do you have to
The crowd out there were actually informed by the magistrate on duty to not obstruct the trucks, the movement of trucks and all that, and they were properly informed, clearly informed not to obstruct. However, after the trucks came also and we escorted them, there was huge pelting of stones, there was assault, there was a person also abducted, and what happened was there was mayhem and violence out there, and for which police had to resort to mild lathi charge. It is not that there was we flouted any norms, and also that we had there was excesses from the police. It was very minimal, and we were very restrained. No, there's no pressure as such for them. There's no pressure to release them. In fact, bail is it's within the hands of the judiciary. So the leaders, they were the people who are right in front in that agitation, and when all these crimes were committed out there, I mean, they were the people at the forefront.
So law,
Yes,
as far as law
will take its own course.